Susie Valentine, realtor with Century 21 Now Realty. My husband Alex and I just listed this beautiful pool home for sale in Murrieta, California. It's 4 bedroom and 3 bathrooms and you will love it. Please come join me in this beautiful house tour. You will love the open floor plan this Murrieta California pool home has to offer and the many upgrades that sets this property apart from all the rest. It has a faux rock pool, spa, and slide with a 3-car garage. This gorgeous 2-story home includes 4 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, approximately 2,500 square feet of living space on a large 8,712 square foot lot size. The formal living and dining area have windows and high vaulted ceilings. The family room has recessed lighting, a fireplace, and sliding glass doors with views of the backyard. The eat-in kitchen is very bright and airy, featuring a lighting fixture and a window. The kitchen features stainless steel appliances, such as a microwave, cooktop stove, and oven. The open kitchen has a center island, gorgeous countertops, and door cabinets ready for you to fill up with all your favorite snacks and goodies. The center island has a double basin sink, a dishwasher, pendant lighting, and a breakfast bar. Perfect spot for a buffet area for parties or to put your laptop on while you're searching for cooking recipes. There's dual sliding glass doors to the backyard and a covered barbecue area. This backyard looks really nice and would make a perfect spot to entertain your friends for parties and gatherings. There is room to garden as well as to sit down with a good book and enjoy our wonderful Southern California weather. The backyard has a stunning faux rock pool and spa with water features, a slide, and waterfalls. Isn't it absolutely lovely? This home was listed just in time to enjoy it this summer. It feels like your own backyard oasis, and the palm trees also add to the tropical touch. Would be a great way to cool off and beat the summer heat. If you have a friend who is looking for a pool home to purchase, please share this video with them. This home is located in the Murrieta Valley School District. This home has no HOA and a low tax rate. You can see all the attention to detail throughout this beautifully designed home. The dark flooring is complemented perfectly with white baseboards. The laundry room is featured with shelves for linen and storage, washer-dryer hookups, a utility sink, and a door to the backyard. The downstairs guest bathroom has a sink with cabinets, a lighting fixture, a mirror, a toilet, and crown molding. This home also has direct access to the 3-car garage with overhead shelving and cabinets. In the hallway, you will find a coat closet as well. Now let's go view the upstairs. Aren't these curved stairs charming? The loft would be a perfect spot for studying, working, or relaxing. In the upstairs hallway, you will find dark cabinets for linen shelves and storage. The first bedroom is carpeted and features a ceiling fan with vaulted ceilings. It also has a closet and a window with a view of the pool. The second bedroom has high ceilings with a ceiling fan and a window with front yard views. This room is also carpeted and has a closet and a desk. The third bedroom features a ceiling fan, carpet, a closet, and a window with views of the front yard. You'll find the guest bathroom having dual sinks with cabinets, a mirror, a medicine cabinet, a toilet, and a shower in the bathtub. This home feels so spacious, and we still haven't seen it all yet. Isn't this home gorgeous? What's your favorite room so far in this beautiful home? Please let me know in the comments below. I know you want to see what the master bedroom looks like, and you will definitely be pleased. Let's go back downstairs and take a look. This beautiful home is also located on a cul-de-sac. The large master bedroom suite is on the lower level and is situated away from the other bedrooms. The owner's suite is beautiful and roomy. It has recessed lighting, coffered ceilings, and a ceiling fan. It also has lots of windows and a large sliding glass door that really brings the light in. The ensuite master bathroom is beautiful as well. It has a large shower area that matches the backyard pool design with dual heads and glass doors. The master bathroom also has dual sinks, a mirror, and cabinets. It has a private water closet with a toilet and an exhaust fan too. The master walk-in closet is very large and has shoe racks, storage shelves, and single and double pulls with plenty of room for clothes, hats, and accessories. This house includes heating and air conditioning. It is located near shopping and dining centers. It is also close to the 15 and 215 freeway. Isn't this home lovely? And if you're interested in purchasing this home, please give me a call. It won't last long. Susie Valentine, 951-907-4020. Thank you for watching. Please consider subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video. This home is truly an entertainer's delight. Let's make this house your home.